Hey folks, this is the Actor Dev, and on this video I want to talk to you about Brigther. Brigther is a framework that helps you create and distribute apps, and it has a lot of feature and integrate with the main message gateway in the market. So like RabbitMQ, AWS, SNS and SQS, Kafka, Azure and others. And it has also a lot of features like out of the box partner inbox partner, distribute log, and a lot of useful features that can help you. And so on this video, I want to focus how you can send a message with using Brigther over RabbitMQ. For this, I will need a podman because I'm going to run my RabbitMQ over a Docker. And for this one, for RabbitMQ, I'm going to use version 3.3 version 3 because I tried to use version 4 but for some reason I had some errors. So to avoid any more confusion and lose a lot of time, I'm going to use the previous version, but Brightr should work with the V4 as well. So for use Brightr, first thing you need to create application. So I'm here this folder. So let's get Docker Compose. So here you can see I'm using version 3 of RabbitMQ. Yeah, let's go. So I'm going to create a new app.net new console -n writer sample. Yeah, and now we can go there. Writer sample. Yeah. Um. Okay. So the first thing I need to do is to install. So the first thing I need to do here is to install the some packages. So let's start with the first one. Let's install um, Brigther package itself. So it's the base package that we will need here. So we need to go to the folder, Brigther, and here I'm going to do .NET add package, and I'm going to here. As you can see, I have installed everything, and now here in my app I can just do a restart because I'm using Helix, so every time I add a new package I need to restart my LSP. So yeah. So the first thing we need here is a message. So let's do public class my request. I call my event. Let's put this as an event. And here I need to do event um, event and GUI dot new GUI, and let's have here public string text get set. Yeah. And now we need to import the Brighther. So don't worry about this. I'm further video I'm going to explain what is this event, but for now let's just extend for this event only. So after we have a message, we need to have a handler. So let's create a handler. So public class my event handler. Uh, here here we need a request handler, and for now I'm going to use my event. Yeah, that's the most important one. Now let's do override handle. Yeah, and for this sample, I would just log here, logger. Yeah, logger. And logger. I need to import here my EM, and here I'm going to put logger.log information. So here receive it text, and here let's put the text here text and command dot text. Okay, that's it. And now the last part that you need to do in Brigther is create a mapper. So let's create my event mapper. I am a message mapper. My event. So what is this message mapper? So basically, Brigther work in a way where your class here, what your event or your request, it's separate for your message. This gives you a lot of flexibility. Like you can have one message that your entire application is going to use, and here internally you can have a totally different message structure depending on the case. Like there are some places that where you want to serialize use JSON. There's another place where you want to serialize use Avro or any other type like XML. So yeah, it's very powerful. In the version 10, we are going to have a default one, which is going to use JSON by default, but you can of course override this. But yeah, it's very nice. So for our case, we need first create var um, header, new message header. Yeah, so let's do this here. Let's say our ID is equal our request.id. Our topic here, I want to put my topic as topic here, new holding key here. I'm going to say it's going to be my event topic. So I'm going to say to my event topic. I need also to set the message type. It's going to be, in this case, event. So this message type should match with your um, extend here. You have event and command. It should match. Otherwise, you can have issues while you're using Brigther. And for the end, yeah, I need to have a timestamp. Timestamp is not necessary, but I like to put here. So timestamp. I'm going to say it's date time dot UTC now. Yeah. Now let's do the second part. It's var body. It's new message body. Yeah. And this one's going to be very simple. JSON serializer. Yeah. Let's here and serialize our request here. Very simple. Yeah. Yeah, we are almost done here, and by the end, we just need to send a message here. Header and body. And on this case, now I just need to deserialize the body. It's the only thing that matter to me. New, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, new. There's no new. J to serialize dot deserialize my event here. Message dot body dot value dot bytes here. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the basic for Brigther. So now before we continue, let's install more packages here. So we need to install the service activator. And let's get it from here. Yeah. So dot .NET added the package. Let's add our service activator. Then we need to add our dependency injection as well. And the hosting. I hope it's everything that we need. Here, uh, .NET, the package. So let's restart our LSCP. Yeah. So yeah, now let's do the next part. Now let's do the send part first. So first here we need a host. It's called a new host builder. Yeah, using Microsoft, then .build here. After the host is built, we need to start the host. So .NET.host start async. And at the end, we need to host.stop async. Yeah. So let's do a while loop here. So while true. We need to first get the text. Let's type something here. Console.write. Um, type some text here. Key Q to exit. Here. And now var text is equal console.readline. Yeah. If string is null or empty, my text, I just want to break here. So to continue, sorry. Because in case the message is empty, let's just continue this one. Ignore for now. If text is equal Q, we want to break now. And now we want to send the message itself. So var command it's equal host.service.get required service. I am command processor. Yeah, that's it. Await command.post post async new my event text, it's my text itself. So now everything's good. So what I'm saying here, so I'm getting my process command. That's the main interface on Brigther that you're as a user are going to use. And I'm saying here to publish this to use this command to post a message to my uh, to post this message to my external bus. So this is going to force my message to go to RabbitMQ. In other video, I will explore the difference between send and post. But yeah, for now that is more than enough. Yeah, okay. So what's his complaint? Oh yeah. So here it's missing and here. Okay. So now let's start to create our application itself. So .config service. We don't need the context. We only care about services itself. So first thing that we need to do here, we need to create a connection. So I'm going to copy from what I have here. Yeah, and I was almost forgetting to add a RabbitMQ here. So yeah, so the next step is to come here, .NET, add package, RabbitMQ. Yeah, now it's added. LSP restart. In a few minutes, it's going to be up again. Yeah, so yeah, so now I'm set up the RabbitMQ here on this one, where I'm specify my connection here, AMQP, and here I'm select my exchange. So it's more about RabbitMQ details, so I'm not going to further on this one. So yeah, so let's do. So the first thing I want to do is add here service dot add the hosted services, and I need to add Brigther here. It's service activate host service here. Why this is important? Because when you are going to when you use Brigther, you need something that's going to pump your message from your message gateway. So this one here is going to ensure you when your application is running, it's going to use this hosted activator. Yeah, it's going to ensure you that your the Brigther is pumping message for the broker. Yeah. So the next thing we need to do here is add service activator here. Add service activator, and here let's pass an option here. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do here is set a channel factory. So channel factory equal new channel factory, and on this channel factory I'm going to pass a new RabbitMQ consumer factory. Yeah, and here I'm going to pass my RabbitMQ connection. And now I'm going to add the subscription. So subscriptions equal new subscriptions. Yeah, here. And now I need to add my RabbitMQ subscription. RabbitMQ subscription for my message event here. Here I will need a new subscription event. It's for log proposal. So it can be my event sub. I will need a queue name, my channel name. This is my channel name. So I'm going to say this is my event queue. And I need a topic that is going to be associated. So new and your routing key, my topic, my event topic. Let me check here if it is met. Yeah, it's matching. 6. Yeah, and the last thing is I want to ensure the bright is going to create everything. So make channel missing here. Yeah, on missing channel create. So this is for consumer. Now we need to map some. We need to map the external bus. So the map the RabbitMQ to produce the message. So I need to external bus new RabbitMQ producer registry here, and I will say create. Yeah. So now I need to send my RabbitMQ connection here. RabbitMQ connection and publication new RabbitMQ uh, publication. Yeah. And now I'm going to do new here. And I only need to pass two information here. Make channel, because I want, if the channel doesn't exist, to create this one. Make channel. It's on make channel. Make channel create. Then the topic. It's going to be the topic name for this channel. On this case, it's going to be my event topic. So this topic here should match with this one, and at the same time should match with this topic here, because when you are mapping your message, you need to say for which topic or for where you want to send this message, and Brigther is going to do this via this message header topic. Yeah. Okay. So we are almost done here. The last thing is you need to now to map this message my event handler and my message mapper for Brigther. So we have two ways. You can be explicit. You can do by explicit this by doing like async handlers and map registry, or you can be lazy, like I'm going to be here. Map from assembly. So this is mean Brigther is going to is going to try to find everything here that is implement Brigther interface or extend it and register this for you. So it's very nice. It's up to you what you prefer to do. And for list, the last thing I want to do is add serial log here, because I want to see some logs here. So let's do here .NET add the package. Yeah, and here I can paste here. LSP restart. Yeah. One moment. Oh yeah, it's back here now. And here it's information that I want. And for last, I want to use Serilog. Yeah. Let's see if everything is working. .NET build. We have an error. We forgot a missing column on line 62. Yeah, that's correct. Let's see if everything's good now. Um, let me see what I have missing here. 100. Oh, yeah, I forget the keyword new here. It's now saying about 46. So now I understand the issue. Issues about the name here. Yeah, 19. Yeah, so now everything is working. So I'm going to do now. I'm going to run my application. So .NET run. I had hope everything's working. So yeah, as you can see here, we could connect to we could connect to RabbitMQ here, showing all information. And now let's send a message test. So message received from queue, from my queue, from this event, text received. So yeah, this is the basic for Brigther. I want to do more videos about Brigther to talk how things work internally, what all other features that we have, like distribute lock, how to use multiple message brokers, and others. So guys, I hope you have liked it, and see you in the next videos.